everybody, welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we're going to make some pan-seared cod with some wine sauce, and that's going to be the star of the show. I've got some skinless cod fillets off camera, and these are pretty much all the ingredients for the sauce. This is Basil over here. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, in a saucepan over medium heat, number 6, we're going to melt 1 tablespoon butter. I mean 1 stick of butter. To that, we're going to add 1/4 cup of flour, and we're going to cook that in for a few minutes and get it nicely incorporated. Alright, turn down the heat to number 2, and we're going to add, maybe half a teaspoon of white pepper, and we're going to start out by adding some white wine here. I'd say we started with a cup. So let's continue cooking this down. Right, as this cooks down, we're going to continue adding steadily this Chardonnay, and we're probably going to end up using most of the bottle. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to add a generous teaspoon of this caldo de camarón, shrimp powdered bouillon. Mix that in. It's going to give it a nice flavor. If there's any suspicion of lumps, let's go ahead and put the whisk to it and continue adding some wine and continue to cook this, get those flavors all nice and happy. Alright, so we've ended up adding about 3/4 of the bottle of wine. The consistency is good. We're just going to cook this over low heat for about 10-15 minutes, and I'm going to add 1/4 cup of lemon juice, fresh squeezed. That was the juice of 2 lemons. Okay, 15 minutes of constant stirring at number 4. The sauce is thickening up, the wine's reducing. Now we're going to add let's call it 2 tablespoons of chopped basil and a little bit more of fresh chopped parsley. Cook that in, stir that in. Alright, so the sauce is ready. We're going to put it off to the side over low, uncovered, and let's go ahead and start cooking the fish. Alright, so now we have a skillet with some hot olive oil, and I've had the cod fillets here on paper towels. Can you see that? Yeah. Patted dry. And we're going to start frying them. Okay, and we've got it over medium heat there. Okay, so here we have the fried cod and some steamed asparagus. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and add some sauce. Alright, so now we have the beautiful sauce here. Let's drizzle that over the fish. Smells really good. Smells very lemony and winey. And let's put some over here for good measure. Yeah, we'll prettify that a little bit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to add some fresh chopped parsley over the fish, like that. Oops. And for beautification purposes, let's put a piece of basil there. Alright, so let's go ahead and try it, see what it's like. Alright, so I took some photographs, so let's go ahead and try this. I love cod, so there's already, I like this. So let's try the sauce with it. Cod is cod, what can I say? The sauce is very nice, it's rich, it's very bright. There's a lot of lemon and wine in there, and of course basil and parsley is in the background. Yeah. As I was cooking it, it was really sharp up front at first, but as it cooked and sat on low while the fish was going on, the flavors melded and toned down. Let's see what asparagus tastes like with it. Oh yeah, two pair very well. That's a very good sauce, actually. I came up with it myself, although it's nothing novel. Obviously, there's wine sauces everywhere. Very good. I highly recommend it. The shrimp powder didn't really come through very much. It gave it a nice color, though. Maybe next time I'll use clam juice. I don't know. Thanks for watching.